So Bruce, you've been using Pounce for a while. Is there anything you do to even make the efficiency of the procedure faster?
Well, it really helps when every member of your team understands each component of the catheter, because you're going to typically make more than one pass. So after each subsequent pullback of your device, they're going to clean the baskets, clean the funnel or trumpet, and then make it ready for you to reintroduce your wire and then your delivery catheter for your baskets downstream. So as they're cleaning things, I'm taking a picture and planning on rewiring down the vessel right then. So I'm working on that while they're intimately familiar with what they're to do with the basket catheter, and they know they need to get that ready before they get the funnel or trumpet catheter, and that's really improved efficiency with making subsequent passes.